Hello everyone, I am Rasheen Adalim, and in this video, I will explain 4 important instructional design models, which are Assure, ADE, Hanafin and Peck, and Dick and Curry model. So the first one is Assure model. The Assure model is used for planning lessons that involve technology or media. It ensures lessons are organized, engaging, and effective. So the first one is Analyze learners. Identify learners' prior knowledge, learning styles, and skills. It helps the teacher tailor instructions to learners' needs so that they can understand and engage with the content. The second one is State objectives. Write clear learning goals for the lesson. Objectives give the lesson direction and focus and let both the teacher and learners know what is expected. The third one is Select methods, media, and materials. Choose the teaching tools such as videos, slides, worksheets, or apps. Selecting appropriate resources enhances understanding and makes learning more interesting. The fourth one is Use media and materials. Implement chosen tools during the lesson. Using well-chosen materials reinforces learning and helps students grasp concepts better. The fifth one is Require learner participation. Encourage students to actively engage in activities or discussions. Active participation increases understanding and retention because learners are doing, not just listening. And the last one is Evaluate and revise. Check if the lesson was effective and make improvements if needed. Evaluation ensures continuous improvement of instruction and helps address learners' difficulties. So we are now at our second model, which is ADE model. So the first one is Analyze. Check students' needs, problems, and capabilities. So Analyze is first because you must understand what learners already know, what they struggle with, and what they need before planning anything. And the second one is Design. Learning objectives, delivery format, activities, and exercises. Once you understand the learners, you can now plan how to teach, what they should achieve, and how the lesson will look like. The third one is Develop. Create a prototype, develop course materials, and review. This comes after design because now you start creating the actual materials based on your plan. And the fourth one is Implement. This stage is where the lessons is delivered or used in the classroom. And lastly is Evaluate. This is the last part because here you check if the lesson worked and how students improved. Then you revise if needed. Our third model is the Hanafin and Peck model. It focuses on interactive and multimedia learning. It has 3 phases, which are needs assessment, design, and development with implementation. Revision happens throughout all phases. In the first phase, which is needs assessment, you find out what are the needs of the learners and what problems must be solved. In the design phase, you plan the content, activities, and multimedia elements. And in the development with implementation phase, you create the materials, try them with learners, and improve them based on feedbacks. So an example is, a teacher is creating an interactive grammar module. They first study what students struggle with, design the activities and visuals, then develop the module and test it with students while making improvements. Our last model is the Dick and Curry model. It is the most systematic. It starts by identifying the learning goals, analyzing the learners and the task, writing specific objectives, developing materials, and creating assessments. After that, the instruction is tested, revised, and then finally evaluated to see if the goals were achieved. For example, a teacher wants students to learn spreadsheet skills. They analyze the learners, break tasks into steps such as entering data and formatting, create the materials, test the lesson on a small group, revise it, and then check if students reach the goal. To sum it all up, the Assure model focuses on using media and encouraging student participation. The ADE model provides a simple and organized step-by-step process. The Hanafin and Peck model highlights interactive and multimedia learning with continuous revision. The Dick and Curry model is the most detailed and systematic. All these models help teachers design effective, clear, and learner-centered instruction.